Cześć! Żywieli! Na zdrowie! Gzor! Hey guys, this is Wanda here. Welcome to my channel, The Americanka, which is all about life, travel, and culture in Southeastern Europe. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing 4 easy ways to travel for free as a small content creator. These are all things that you can start doing today. So let's get into it. So the first way I've been able to travel for free is with the Airbnb Referral program, which allows you to earn credits when someone new signs up to Airbnb after you referred them. And those credits really rack up over time. I have stayed at some really nice places. Like, what the hell am I doing staying at these luxury places? Now, anyone can do this. Anyone can refer someone to Airbnb. You can refer your friends, you can refer your family. But the reason it works so well being a content creator is if you're getting a lot of traffic to your content, that's going to be a lot of people clicking that link to that referral program and ending up signing up for Airbnb. So I make sure to include my referral link in a lot of my travel videos, also on the sidebar of my blog. And I have to be honest, I get more people clicking from the sidebar of my blog than my YouTube channel. Like, this is why I love having a blog and a YouTube channel, because there's some things that just convert a little bit more easily on a blog. So if you're also interested in starting a blog and how it compares to YouTube in terms of making money or promotional links, I do have another video. It's on my other channel, Small Channel Wins, which is the Small Channel's Guide to Growth, Income, and Opportunities. So I've linked to that channel and linked to this video in the description below. Be sure to check that out. So point number 2 is I stay in hotels for free using a technique called pitching. So this is when you contact a hotel or any sort of other accommodation, whatever. You call them or you email them. You're basically like, hey, I've got a YouTube channel, I've got social media, and I can promote your hotel in exchange for a complimentary stay. If you've never done this before, you will be shocked at how many places will say yes to you. So I also have another video that's all about getting free hotel stays, all about pitching, what you should do, and I've included in that video the exact email template that I send that you can download from the description of that video. So be sure to check that out. I have a link to it in the description below. But yeah, staying at free hotels is amazing because sometimes you get hooked up with the free excursions that the hotel offers. So I love this. Now, here's the thing that you need to know. As a small YouTuber, you're not going to have as many subscribers maybe as a bigger YouTuber. So it's going to be very, very helpful for hotels to want to work with you if you're getting a lot of views. I definitely got more and more hotels saying yes to working with me, like luxury hotels, once I consistently started getting 100,000 monthly views. So if you're someone who is still struggling with getting views on your small or medium channel, I've included a free video tutorial in the description for a very simple strategy for how to start getting up to hundreds of thousands of monthly views and how those views can also work for you and bring you income on YouTube. It's a step-by-step guide to how to achieve this, so be sure to check that out. So the third way that I get free travel is I've been able to work with travel companies, tourism companies. You can also work with tourism boards. I love that I get to do this because 1, of course, it's free travel, but 2, I always want to rent a car, but like I have a fear of driving in mountainous regions, and like the entire Southeastern European region is just mountains, 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 and I legit like have panic attacks. So, oh my God, like I don't know how I would get around if I didn't have this YouTube channel hooking me up with some free travel. So anyway, a lot of times travel companies will reach out to me because I have a YouTube channel about Southeastern Europe. So travel companies that are representing tourism here will want to work with me and collaborate on videos with me. So that's something that I highly suggest, to kind of focus on one niche thing within your greater topic and become like the go-to place or the go-to person about that one topic. And then it will be easier and easier and easier to rack up lots of views about that one topic. And then it will be easier and easier and easier to have companies that want to work with you in relation to that topic. The second way to get into communication with these companies is, again, pitching. So it's not just restricted to hotels. You can really pitch for anything. And again, I have another video about this that's also on my other channel. I've linked to that video in the description. Be sure to check that out. Now, before I get to the fourth way to travel for free, this is another one where you don't have to be a small content creator to do it. Please first like this video if you've made it this far. That really helps my channel when you do that. Please do that. Also, please subscribe. Be sure to share this video. Sharing really helps my channel. Sharing helps all small channels. And comment below any questions that you have about any of the things that I've talked about in this video. Okay, so let's get into that fourth free way to travel. This is the newest way that I've discovered. Haven't really done it so much. And that is with Airbnb Experiences and Adventures. So this is pretty much the same concept of the Airbnb referral program, but I've recently just learned that you can apply your credit to adventures and experiences. So just in case you don't know what Airbnb Experiences and Adventures are, basically they are travel related excursions. You book them through Airbnb as opposed to going through a traditional travel agency. So I'll just hop onto my laptop and show you how that works really quickly. So I'm here in my Airbnb account, my dashboard, and I'm just going to go to experiences. And let's say I want to have an experience, do some sort of excursion in Sardinia. Never been there. So then you can just look through some experiences that you're interested in. Oh, this looks cool. Salt White Mountains and Flamingos. Salt White Mountains and Flamingos. And then as you can see, your Airbnb credit deducts the amount and your total is nothing, and you don't have to actually pay for anything. So guys, what do you think of all of the things that I just mentioned? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out that free video tutorial for that very simple strategy for how to start getting up to hundreds of thousands of monthly views on a small channel, how those views can work for you to get you free travel, to start earning income through YouTube. You can really do so many cool things on a small channel. And if you haven't yet checked out my other channel that's completely dedicated to all the cool things that you can do on a small channel, be sure to check that out. I've linked to it in the description. And I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to that channel, because that channel right now, that's my baby. So that being said, cheers again, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.